Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Kishos Kitaz, and welcome back for another episode of the freaking taste.
That's for fix.
Sake. Sorry. Anyway, I noticed something about myself that my hair is getting longer and I need to haircut, and my beard. I mean, look at it. Yeah, I need to shave as well. I look freaking old man. Yeah, literally, I look like a freaking old man. And I don't like it at all. Literally, I don't like it. What the heck just happened to me? What the heck, man? What the heck? You know what? I'm just gonna continue, okay? So for tonight, we're going to drink this one. It's called Schweppes. Schweppes. I don't know where that come from. Okay, never mind. It was from Philippines. It says this weapon is a registered trademark of European refreshments. It says it's manufactured by Coca-Cola Beverages Philippines Incorporated. So, okay, I guess. So, and it's a dry ginger ale. There is also this one, but it was sparkling water, so I'm not gonna drink it. This one is only just last one that I just saw in the supermarket. So nope, it's not from Daisy Japan. It's not from G Stop, but it's the supermarket that near from Daisy Japan. So, I don't know if you can see this one. It was in 1783. Strange. I'm not sure if it's literally a beer or not. Okay, I'll just pause. We're going to drink this. It's really satisfying when it comes to beers. So first was gonna sit it. It's ginger ale. Don't want it hot, but I just wanted to see what it looks like. So hold on, you can barely see my legs. It's clearly my thigh. So
Oh, yes. Look at my shorties.
alright. So that's what it looks like. It's like it's white, but it's kind of like you can see a bit of yellowish. So cheers. Okay. It's really the same. It's really the same as the other one. I forgot what is the brand. There is a popular soda drink of ginger ale. I forgot what's the brand. So hold on for a sec. Oh, there you go. Canada Dry. So yeah, it's really the same as a Canada Dry that I just taste from G Star. So yeah, I already tried about the Canada Dry before from the Yara a very long time because I was curious though. So it's the same as a Canada. It's the same this one as a Canada Dry. So it's not bad. And they spent me just 22.25, so it's cheap. And it tastes good though. So it's the same. I'm going to rate this a 6 out of 10 because I don't drink that much of a ginger ale. I do like ginger for only my voice. The reason my voice, it seems I'm a choir member, tenor, bass. So yeah, because recently I was in a practice, and not gonna lie, my throat is really hurt because of the really high notes. Or should I say, I think it's called tempo, or it's called whatever it's. I'm really bad. I suck at that. So yeah, I'm not drinking that much of a ginger ale. I just wanted to drink it because this is the last one.
Hey yo, Casino is back, and too bad it's going to rain. And for this time, we're going to continue. For this one, it's called Te Pukuk Haru. What language is this? Is this Thai? Oh no, it's from Indonesian. Nori! Oh Nori! If you're watching this, I'm going to show you. Alright, I'm going to show you this one. There you go. So now I'm going to give it a try. This one is just 19 pesos. Alright, first let's put it. What the heck? Smells like an ordinary tea. Alright, cheers. Oh, it tastes something very different. Yeah, different indeed. Yeah, it is a product of Indonesia right there. Alright, I thought it was time. Well, I have no choice but to finish this. I'm in must hurry right now. I'm going to give this 4.5 out of 10. It's strange, literally strange taste. Sorry, Nari.
So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So the next taste test will be 5 of them. It's a Vitamilks. So check it out really soon. Just be patient, alright? So please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And I see you all and sayonara, arigato. Don't mind about those back there because those are my snacks. My midnight snack.